bed. He wasn't connected to anything. In the intensive care unit, I don't know what's going on in the UK, man.
In intensive care unit, 9 for that.
Yeah.
They're not checking Ebola now.
Yeah.
3 hours.
They gave him his food. They came back 3 hours later and he was dead.
Peaceful death, now what they call that one.
I don't know. When I was in intensive care unit, I was hooked up to the brim. So hooked up that even me going to the toilet was such a discussion that they had to have. Until I said, I'm just not going to pee a poo. I'm just going to hold it in. I was like, there's no way I said, I'm not going to pee in a bedpan. I'd rather just hold it in. And they
Bedpan, they'll call change everything again. Need it wet.
Yeah, exactly.
Not everybody they feel use that bedpan.
That was the main topic of conversation. That's why I wanted to move back to the normal ward. I was like, I want to go to the toilet. Every time I went to the toilet, I had to ask someone. It was so annoying, to be honest. I didn't like the ICU. But you're not supposed to like the ICU. Because you're only there when shit's about to hit the fan.
They try. We call that a peaceful death anyway.
Yeah, I'm hoping it was peaceful. He ate, probably slept, and
Why was he in the intensive unit in the first place?
He's old.
How old was he?
I can't remember. He's definitely old. I've seen like him. He's definitely like above 80. The only thing is they can't get a death certificate. And they want to, the death certificate is now the problem.
Why can't they? Time of death?
No, that's not the issue. There's a backlog of death certificates. It can take up to 3 months to get a death certificate from the UK. Yeah. You know, the grandmother has a house, a property, and a farm. And the mom wants to divide it up. But she can't without a death certificate.
Which mom?
Habiba's mom.
She the only child?
No. Yeah, she's in charge of the trust. So now they're waiting for the death certificate. But they've already buried him and everything. But
not to certify death, they quick about
3 months. There's a waiting list.
in UK.
Yeah. Have you heard in the UK now, they're waiting list for waiting lists?
What's the meaning of that?
So, like, you know, say you need to see a gastroenterologist, they'll put you on a waiting list. But that waiting list for the gastroenterologist is so full that they've created another waiting list for people to go on. And then once those gastroenterologist patients have been seen, they'll put them onto the gastroenterologist waiting list. So there's waiting list for waiting lists.
And then Malia, they tell you all this one.
Like even for cancer, you know, I thought cancer, if they suspected cancer, it goes fast. No.
Yeah.
You can be on a waiting list for up to 6 months.
Germany no be like that.
No, Germany, if they suspect cancer, you're in hospital the next day.
I wash one. I've been away to wash one.
Yeah, but she was a child, and they never think children can get cancer. That's weird. Well, I won't say children, but she was a young adult. Young adult, they never suspected. They always will push blame onto something else.
If now you know, some people can sue that hazard. I'm not being able to detect. Saying it's normal. Yeah.
I was shocked about that. A waiting list for a waiting list. So you might go in for a referral and be put on a waiting list, and that's not even the right waiting list. You're just waiting for there to be space on the other waiting list that you want to go to. That's crazy. Look at her.
Are you alive or are you dead? Tina! She's looking at me. She's looking at what I'm doing.
Oh. And I bet you she's exhausted. That's why she's resting. She's probably so tired. But God forbid she sleeps whilst everyone's awake.
So how else did they expect me to cut my fruit or my vegetable now? YouTube people. With my teeth. Like some. They won't go put on my shining. To come close all the hard work and I don't know. They try on this time I go happy. The vegetable is ready.